दोस्तों, भाई एवं बहनों, मैं फिर से एक बार इंग्लिश शॉर्ट हैंड डिक्टेशन देने जा रहा हूं, जो आप लोग को दिसंबर में सिविल कोर्ट का एग्ज़ाम है, उसके लिए आपको ज़्यादा मददगार होगा। और रिक्वेस्ट है आप लोग से कि आप लोग ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करें, ताकि आपको एग्ज़ाम में कोई तरह का दिक्कत ना हो। क्योंकि शॉर्ट हैंड ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस की चीज़ है। जितना प्रैक्टिस करेंगे उतना ज़्यादा आपको आउटलाइन बनाने में सुविधा होगी और अच्छे तरह से आप लिख सकेंगे। मैं 5 काउंट करूँगा, काउंट करने के बाद स्टार्ट करूँगा। 1 2 3 4 5 स्टार्ट। I shall now give a brief survey of the provisions in the bill which are designed to encourage investments in procedure enterprises to stimulate higher productivity as well as exports and to provide resources for expansion of industry, full stop, in order to increase investment by individuals and Hindu undivided families in the equity shares of new industrial companies in India, full stop. Provision has been made for the grant of tax-free tax credit certificate to them with reference to their subscription to eligible issues of capital by such companies for a period of 4 financial years commencing with the financial year in which the investment is made, full stop. The amount of the tax credit certificate is to be calculated at a slab system of rates and will be limited to rupees 1,250 for each financial year on a total investment of rupees 30,000 under the original provision in the bill. Only the first subscriber to eligible issue of capital qualifies for the tax credit certificate. Full stop. Considering the fact that a substantial part of the capital issue made in recent months has had to be taken up and is still held by financial institutions which underwrote those issues. The eligibility for tax credit certificate has been extended to individual and Hindu undivided families who purchase shares forming part of an eligible issue of capital from an underwriter declared as such in the relevant prospectus. Full stop. Incentives for increased industrial production as well as for the more efficient use of the capital already invested are provided in the form of tax credit certificate calculated with reference to the central excise duty payable on increased production in the relevant year over that of the base year and with reference to the additional amount of corporation tax payable by a additional amount of corporation tax payable by a company. Full stop. in the relevant year over that payable by it in the base year, full stop. The amount of the tax credit certificate granted for these purposes is required to be used for discharging debt obligation, acquisition of capital assets in India, including constructing of a building for a purpose of the business, and in the case of company also for the redemption of its debentures. Full stop. This would enable industry unit to pay off the monies which they had borrowed for expanding their productive capacity, or alternatively to plow back a larger portion of the current earnings for the purpose of expansion. That stop.